children, I am going to take 9th standard history. Today's lesson is Evolution of Humans and Society Prehistoric Period. In last class, we have learnt the origin of the earth. Now, we see about human evolution and migration. Chimpanzees, gorillas and orangutans are collectively called the great apes. Chimpanzee was closest to humans. Ancestors of humans are called the hominins. Hominins origin found at Africa. Hominins emerged 7 to 5 million years ago. Human ancestors divided into hominid and hominins. Hominid are modern humans. Hominins are close relatives of human ancestors. Homo sapiens, Homo neanderthalensis, Homo erectus, Homo habilis are called species of Australopithecines. This Homo habilis stand erect, walk with two legs, large brain and they communicate. This category excludes gorillas. Homo habilis was called the earliest human ancestors. Homo sapiens were called modern humans. Next we see about prehistoric culture. Earliest lithic assemblages of human ancestors. Human ancestors tools occur on Old White Gorge in Africa. The earliest tools were 2.6 million years old. Human ancestors used hammerstones, sharp edges, flakes. Flakes means a small chip removed from the large stone. Human ancestor used for tools for cutting, slicing and processing food. Next, Lower Paleolithic culture. Lower Paleolithic people used tools. The tools found at Africa, Asia and Europe. Their tools were Acheulean tools and bifaces tools. Acheulean means hand axe. Bifaces tools means flaking on both sides. Bi means two, faces means sides. Next, Middle Paleolithic culture. Lithic means stone. Production of stone tools making was called lithic technology. Paleolithic people used points and scrapers. Lithic tool making tradition is called Levalloisian. Next, Upper Paleolithic culture. Upper Paleolithic people used long blades and burins. Burins means chisel. Cro-Magnon people belong to Upper Paleolithic culture. These people used horns and ivory for making tools. Mesolithic culture. Mesolithic culture between Paleolithic age and Neolithic age. Paleo means old, Neo means new. Between the old stone age and new stone age is called Mesolithic culture. This period people used microlithic stones. Micro means small stones. The people were hunters and gatherers. These people used tools in geometrical pattern like lunates, the crescent shape, triangles, this shape. Next, trapezus, this shape. The tools in this different kinds of shapes. These tools with handled. So, the people used handled stones. The Neolithic culture stones less than 5 cm in size. Next, Neolithic culture and the beginning of the agriculture. Neolithic culture is beginning of agriculture and animal domestication. This period tools found at the Fertile Crescent region. The regions were Egypt, Israel, Palestine and Iraq. This place is like a location like a crescent shape. Neolithic people settled in river banks. They produced crabs. The development of Neolithic culture is called Neolithic Revolution. Archaeological excavation refers to digging the earth to undertaken the things are called archaeological excavation with the help of stone tools, pottery, animal bones, etc. Cosmic ray exposure dating, a method in which exposure to cosmic rays is done for dating the samples. In 1863, Sir Robert Froostfoot, a geologist from England, first discovered old Stone Age tools at Pallavaram. They are the earliest finds of such tools in India. The hand axe assemblages were considered the Madras stone tool industry. The tools that he discovered are now housed in the Chennai Museum. The Paleolithic people hunted wild animals and gathered natural fruits like roots, nuts, leaves. They did not have knowledge of iron and pottery making, which developed much later in history. Hand axes and cleavers are the important tool types of the lower Paleolithic period. The people of this time also used hammer stones and spheroids. The quartzite pebbles and cobbles were chosen as raw materials. The tools are found in the soil deposits and also in the exposed riverside. They occur at Pallavaram, Gudiyam Cave, Athirampakkam, Vadamadurai, Erimevettipalayam and Parikulam. The lower Paleolithic tools are also found in North Arcad and Dharmaburi district. Next, Middle Paleolithic culture in Tamil Nadu. These people used cores, flakes, scrapers, knives and Legalachian flakes, hand axes, cleavers. These are the artifacts of Middle Paleolithic culture. The evidence of Middle Paleolithic culture can be observed in some parts of Tamil Nadu. In the southern part of Tamil Nadu at T. Pudupatti and Sivarankotai, artifacts of the Middle Paleolithic tools have been collected. Also near Tanjavur and Ariyalur, similar artifacts have been found. Next, Mesolithic culture in Tamil Nadu. The Upper Paleolithic culture succeeded the Middle Paleolithic culture because there is no evidence for Upper Paleolithic culture in Tamil Nadu. These people used microlithic stones. Already I told microlithic means small stones. The small stone artifacts lived in many parts of Tamil Nadu. Evidence for the existence of Mesolithic were hunter and gatherers. These people tools are found at Chennai, North Arcad, Dharmaburi, Chellam, Coimbatore, Ariyalur, Tiruchirappalli, Pudukottai, Madurai, Sivagangai, Tirunelveli and Kanyakumari. Next, Terry sites near Thoothukudi. Here also have evidence of microlithic artifacts. The people of this period used small artifacts made up of chet and quartz. The tool types are already told scrapers, lunates, triangles. These people hunted wild animals and gathered fruits, nuts and roots. Next, Neolithic culture in Tamil Nadu. The culture that domesticated animals and cultivated crops. This period is called New Stone Age. These people lived in small villages with houses made up of thatched roof and walls plastered with clay. Evidence of Neolithic village is found at Payyampalli. It is located in Vellore district and also Dharmaburi region. Evidence for pottery making and cultivation of horse gram, green gram has been found in the village. Next, Iron Age. Iron Age is called megalithic age. Mega means big. The cultural period that succeeded the Neolithic is called Iron Age. During the Iron Age, many parts of Tamil Nadu were occupied by people and exchange relationship developed among the people. These people used iron and bronze objects and gold ornaments. Now I conclude the topic. Thank you all. We will see the next class.